Welcome back to my channel AI Funda. In this AI tutorial, I will show you how to swap faces with free AI tool. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to artguru.ai. After login with your email, click on FaceSWap. Choose one of these templates. Click on Add Face. Select your image. And click on Generate. Click on Image to preview. And let's try female version. Choose one of the templates. Change source face image. And click on Generate. Click on Image to preview. Click on Download button to save image. You also can upload a template image and swap faces. Click on this icon, select your template image. Click on Add Face and choose your image. Click on Generate. You also can swap multiple faces. Let me show how. Click on multiple face. Select one of these templates. Click on Continue and upload your images. Click on Swap Now. If you're interested in more AI tutorials, subscribe to my channel. I'm sharing new tutorials and prompts daily.